I'm more than blessed to be standing here today. It was very early in our relationship when I realized that I loved Morgan, and shortly after that I knew I wanted to spend the rest of my life with her. Throughout our entire relationship, each and every memory is something I cherish so dearly.
Let's dream of the wildest of dreams, love, and never forget them.
So there was this blind man, right? Even after almost 6 years together, you're still refreshing. There's no one as goofy, as loving, and kind-hearted as you are. We've laughed, loved, and partied harder together than most do in a lifetime. Our love is pure joy.
Oh, we'll fly and touch the sky and chase the stars. Oh, and make them ours. And don't look down. Won't let this love ever reach the ground.
We use all sorts of comparisons to explain how much we care about someone, such as more than the sun, but I could give 1,000 of these and nothing will compare how much I really care and love Morgan.
Let's take a chance with every step. Oh, fly and touch the sky.
It's definitely been something that I want to strive for and keep going, and I'm excited that we're finally tying the knot, because again, it felt like forever. 2018, the end of 2018 is when I proposed, so it was a long time coming, but finally here, thank goodness.
I've learned to see myself through your eyes. You taught me to see the beauty and to love things about myself that I used to try and hide, especially, as you always say, the curls. You loved me for my best and despite my worst parts, and showed me how to do the same.
Touch the sky, chase the stars. Oh, and make them ours. And don't look down. Won't let this love ever reach the ground.
Get like, yeah.
Marriage is a bold step into an unknown future. It is risking who we are for the sake of who we can be. In marriage, two lives are intimately shared, and the blending of the two must not diminish either one. Rather, it should enhance the individuality of each partner.
You really do give me a feeling that can only be described as true love. And every time I hear that compliment, that people love or our relationship, it can only help to smile and be even more grateful for you.
I've had friends and family ask me how I know that you are the one. Most simply put, it all comes down to the fact that you make me a better person. You always have faith in me and our relationship, and you love unconditionally and completely. You lead with your heart and sense of humor. You make everyone smile, and more importantly, you want to see them smile.
So Morgan, I promise to always listen and grow. I promise to be there through any and everything that life throws at us. And most importantly, I vow to never stop loving you, always and forever.
I vow to stand with you, not just beside you, because we are a force to be reckoned with. to work on myself as an individual so I can be the best wife, friend, and partner you deserve. I vow to help solve the mystery of your belly button lint because I don't understand where it comes from. I vow to live our lives to the fullest, to always look for fun in every situation. I vow to be your balance, to never break your trust, to go through thick and thin with you. Ride or die, baby. I vow to always be proud to call you my husband, even when you're on both knees in a room full of strangers belting Colt 45 at the top of your lungs. I vow to do life with you. Let's start our forever.
I give you this ring as a sign that I chose you to be my wife, my partner, and my best friend to the end of days.
I give you this ring as a sign that I chose you to be my partner, be my best friend to the end of days.